on. I saw you log in into the other one, so I thought you were still there.
You didn't hear me literally
But
tell
he's-
Hottie
he's
that,
right.
like, balls deep?
I was logged into both this
Avernus.
and our
What? I'm
event, so I
here.
thought maybe you were
Go.
talking there.
What's your group info?
I don't know.
Yeah, I had to like practically mute him on
It's
my.
Carp and Octum.
Is the name?
That's the name of the parsing group. The password is CN4 number 4 live.
Yeah, that.
CN4.
Capital C, capital N.
Oh, I didn't know that.
LYFE or IFE?
L-I-F-E.
L-I-F-E.
Not that ghetto.
Loif.
And it's 4, the number
Hey, I'm
4.
just making sure. No.
Capital C, capital N, the number 4, the word life.
The loif of the wife is
Carpe
ended by the
noctem.
knife.
Felt like the guild, right?
Mhm.
N-O-C-T-M.
Or lolly.
It's with an E. I thought it was with a U.
Alright, do I have a minute to go get a drink, or are we both?
No.
You're not even here, Slice.
Exactly.
Alright, I'm here. Let's do this.
Are you on ads or is she on ads?
I'll do ads. It's a little more work. Hell do ads. Okay. Let me just
Whatever.
come up with a slogan and some visual pieces.
I'm too lazy
A little bit
to
of
type
pricing
in an
information.
apostrophe. Go ahead.
Well, Sparky's on the loose. Just don't try patting that sucker.
So much lag, oh my god.
Just for you.
I think Cal's recording this for you, actually.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Because I'm doing pretty shitty.
Then you can watch it again and again.
I'm almost at 2k DPS, guys. Oh yeah, it's past 2k.
Oh boy.
Who's
Who sounds like
breathing
they give me a
heavily?
really intense blowjob?
That's what voice detection does for you. Push to talk for life.
That would be rare.
Why am I not surprised?
I don't think he even realizes it.
Probably not. Clearly not.
Take the PTTQ, man.
It's all the new DPS. It's getting him hot and heavy.
How does he not hear you people?
He's breathing too
I
loud,
don't know.
obviously.
Russians. No, they get that way.
It's just getting heavier too.
Rhea!
What's up?
Stop
Eating
breathing
into the
like you're
mic.
giving me a really intense blowjob. It sounds weird.
Unless
You're,
you're
like,
actually
breathing
giving
really
an
heavily into
intense
the mic.
blowjob, and then you know.
Like that.
Uh-huh. See, it's still happening.
He's not
Insanity.
listening.
No,
I think
clearly
he's
not.
doing it on purpose. That, or his wife has a penis. I don't know.
He's focusing.
I had to lower his volume because it was giving me
I
a
know
headache.
it's loud.
Oh, I have
Oh my
Ray
god,
completely
Lolly,
muted on
I'm
our
at
event.
2.4. Oh my god.
Even the Ravagers
Mm.
are bloodthirsty.
I'd be embarrassed to admit to those numbers.
I agree.
Do you think
I
I,
would
am
drop
not
group
embarrassed
if I
to
hit
hit
those
those
numbers.
I'm just
You're telling
clicking the
me,
same
though.
like 5 buttons in a row and hope that's the right thing to do.
Well,
I'd still be
technically,
embarrassed.
technically that is close to the right thing to do.
So easy.
Hottie probably doing the most DPS.
Probably.
I don't know, I'm not in it. I don't parse.
Doesn't mean you're not doing the most DPS.
No,
Just means you can't prove it. Look at you, Cal, healing like a boss. You're gonna have to introduce Ryan to push to talk.
So long, Sparky.
It almost doesn't sound like breathing anymore.
Yeah, now it just kind of sounds like the heartbeat of TeamSpeak or something. So TeamSpeak is secretly Russian.
Oh wait, this thing senses when I make a noise?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've been
it's
breathing
on
heavily
voice.
into the
It
mic
sucks.
for like the last entire fight, dude.
Yeah, you have
But we
to
were
actually
talking
And
about-
still
set
only
it-
31 DPS.
Mm.
I
Yeah,
meant
I'm at
3100.
2.5, so-
31k. Holy shit.
No, shut up.
You should be able to solo every hard mode boss easily then.
Yeah, I beat Lolly. Look at
Story
that.
of my life.
You beat the tank. Good job, Avernus.
Everyone has their goals in life.
And apparently
Beating
yours
the
are
tank
lower
should
than
not be one of the your
It's
proud
beating
moments.
Lolly
Wow.
Greed no matter what tune he's
I
on.
don't know, Ray. That was the 200 or so. You're
He
getting
just wants to
closer.
at one point say he's better than Lolly.
And did you have any
Yeah, I
power
know.
issues?
No, I don't give a shit how I do on my sniper.
I didn't have any
This is
power
like
issues.
the fourth tune I would use that was gonna do
Alright,
DPS.
well, I'll show you the 3 call then for that fight like that one later.
Okay, but I only did 3100 DPS.
I saw 3195.
Yeah, 3195.
That's closer to 3200 than it is V1.
Yeah, but
Russian
Slice
math
thinks
is
I should do
different.
4K in that situation.
Mhm.
For story mode, at least, yeah.
Mm.
Unless
For
you're
hard
like
mode, he
me
should
and
still
have
be
the
pushing
misfortune to get
3700.
yeah, and unless you're like me and have the misfortune of getting brutalized occasionally, that kind of slows your DPS kind of.
Always.
And brutalized hurts, by the way.
Yes, it does. When you're not supposed to get it, it hurts like a bitch.
All right,
Yeah.
how do I make this thing so it doesn't so I don't breathe into it all the time?
Stop
Alright,
breathing.
go to settings, options, capture, and then click the dot that says push to talk, and set a push to talk.
Oh yeah, push to talk. That's what I want. Because I'm pushing the key anyway every time I talk.
Yeah. Alright, I'll stay over here. Who wants to be the DPS with me?
I'll join you. Luke.
Oh joy.
Oh. Do you want me to? I can't. Don't
No,
matter.
I'll be fine. It'll just take forever for me to kill him by myself.
I know. Well, when we finish over here, if it's not down, I'll go help you.
I bet
just
you'll
find
still
this
kill
super-
mine before Avernus kills his.
It's because it wasn't letting me use my ability when I wasn't in cover.
Uh-huh, sure. You know you can fire most of that while you're not in cover.
I was trying to do my orbital strike. I didn't realize I had to be in cover for that.
Orbitals, don't use it. If you're gonna use an AoE, you use suppressive.
I don't have that on my bar either.
But bump. Best AoE in game and you're not using it.
What is it?
Suppressive fire.
Alright, let me go put that on my bar.
It's very expensive though.
Oh, it is. You can only use it once.
Oh hey, between by the way, after call and then series of shots and takedown, that's not enough for call to come off cooldown. Do you wait or do you rifle shot?
You can wait, but typically what I do is I'll throw in like an extra lethal shot or a rifle shot or something.
Hey, what
Just
about
'cause.
Yeah, okay, I've
shatter
been doing a
shot? Is
rifle
that
shot.
something I use at all?
No.
No.
Okay.
PvP
It
only.
used to
If
be.
there's a healer being a pain in the fucking ass.
Yeah, basically Avernus, for suppressive fire, you can use 2 of them, then you hit adrenaline probe, and then you can use 2 more. Or if you just want to use one, do a call, and then use another one and do a call, and so
I'm
on.
honestly thinking about just auto-attacking this whole time and clearing the raid like that.
Oh
Mm.
god.
Horror.
Oh, how are you even getting through story mode? Oh wait,
Uh,
Lollie's carrying you. I forgot.
I'm on my
We're in a
tank,
decent
though.
group, man.
Me, Cal, and Hottie are carrying. Oh, and Rhea.
Hmm.
I swear to get in there, sir.
Hmm. How about this? If Avernus can pull 4K on Bulo, I will give him Hottie a Zosan's robes.
Oh.
You
It's
better
on
start
now.
working harder.
Sorry,
boy.
Hattie. That's not gonna happen.
What do you mean it ain't
Yeah,
happened? I push
he
4K
won't give
on
me the
Bulo.
same deal though, because he knows I can do that.
Seeing as I don't fucking know what I'm doing half the time on this tune.
Figure it out real quick.
Go get
This is
on
literally the
Avernus.
first
You
time
know
I've
you're
done this
doing at
raid
least
on. I think it's the first time I've done a raid on this tune at all.
Look at that, 3200 DPS on a tank. Stop slacking, Cortec.
Fine, if you pull 3700 on Bulo, I will get Hottie a Zosan's robe.
That would be so awesome. You better work hard on that now. Come
Right.
on.
Apparently these guys want me to be in here with Prince.
Hottie has gained motivation for doing this raid now.
Oh, for making Avernus do the raid, right?
Yeah,
No,
right.
no, she wants Avernus to be able to push these numbers, in which she's going to push the boss super fast, that way you can get these super high numbers at the same time.
Alright, Avernus, what you're going to want to do in this next room is just spam suppressive until you run out of energy, and then hit adrenaline probe and spam it again.
Wait, what am I doing? Sorry.
Lots of suppressive fire.
We're not
Oh, okay.
taking these guys out of the room.
Nope. I'm pulling them to right here.
AoE hell.
Alright, give a deal, Slice. If I can get 4K, then
Only Bulo, not
yeah,
ads.
we're on Bulo right now. We're doing Bulo.
Yes,
If I
no.
get 4K. Or was
No
you said
fluffing
3.7?
your
Wait, you
numbers
said
for the
3.7.
channel,
You said 3.7.
Yes, but you can't fluff your numbers.
I won't fluff my numbers.
Just saying you can't fluff your numbers, you pull
Dude, but you
3.7.
should do Slice. You should get in here so that, or in Parsec, so you can see for yourself.
I'd send me a log. I'd make him upload it to Parsley.
How's that for DPS numbers?
Nice.